It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I've started the changeover in my greenhouses to the winters. These are the majority of the tomatoes. There are a few plants left with tomatoes on, but I'm doing a bit each day. And I'll show you how the greenhouses stand at the moment. This is my little greenhouse, and as you can see, it is now emptied. Apart from a couple of sweet pepper plants that I'd still got peppers on, and I harvested them yesterday, and I haven't got around to pulling these out as yet. Whoop. You can see, hopefully, there. Yes, the greenhouse wants to clean before winter, or if I don't use it over winter, it'll be spring. But there is a Turk's turban. There's a little one, and there is one. There's actually two in the pear tree, only one you can see at the moment. So, on that pears, I'll show you a photograph now of the harvest that we did yesterday. This is my large 10-foot by 6-foot greenhouse that I did sort out last week. Let me come in. The propagation table I used to have here, I'm not using it because I've got me compost base, which I'm using as a potting shed. So taking it out, so I've got more undercover growing space. Strawberries I grew from seed to plants, and they put runners out and 2 survived, so I put them in there, and they're flowering, so they're going to be an autumn strawberry, which is going to be brilliant. And I've just noticed something. Oh no. I thought I'd seen a strawberry. It's a red leaf. Never mind. But, whoops, I'm storing some seedlings along the back because I can't grow there because I've got concrete blocks down. But in the bed itself, I've got some pak choi. Looks like the slugs have found it. Spinach, beet leaves, and overwintering onions. The celery I will be harvesting soon and then dehydrating when my new dehydrator gets here. This is about half of the tomatoes that came out half of the medium greenhouse this morning, and I've just picked the last of the sweet corny ears. As you can see, I still have tomato plants with tomatoes on as well, but they're all green. So this half will be done later in the week or even next week. I've cleared these 2 pallet collar beds, and I will be planting them up maybe today, sometime this week. But I just thought I'd show you how I'm going into winter. Bye!
It's a perfect